Nobody can see it yet, but
That dude just said fuck it and went right through the cones.
yeah, if you're in a truck, you can go right through. That's fucking crazy, dude. This don't happen in Portage. It's not supposed to. No.
Government.
It's not the government. We don't live in a dome.
Freaking do.
Jason, be quiet. That's crazy, dude. Look at that. Can't wait till we go through it. Bet you people are glad they got trucks.
I would be.
We got a little Tonka toy. Look at that. It looks like we're gonna.
Shouldn't they be doing something with the fucking drains right now?
Look at that. You can go swimming. I don't know if on camera you could see it, but you can go swimming in this. We almost need a jet ski. And I had to go to the gym going through this stuff.
You didn't have to. You chose to.
I didn't know this was happening.
I told you it was.
Then you're gonna get them Christians saying the world's coming to an end. Look at that. That is awesome, dude. Look how deep this is. Just trying to go to work.